Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers. So today we are going to be making a DIY oil, a DIY natural oil for hair growth. So we are going to be using cayenne pepper. If you have seen my hair mask DIY video with cayenne pepper, you will know I absolutely love this pepper. So we are going to be using cayenne pepper, and cayenne pepper has vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin B6 that is not only good for our body but is also good for our hair. So we are going to be using this to make our DIY hair grow oil. And then I am going to be using olive oil for my carrier oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I absolutely love olive oil. That's why I'm using it for my carrier oil. Let's go on ahead and make this DIY hair oil. So I'm going to be using this container because I would like to store this oil for a bit before I drain the cayenne pepper. So I am going to be taking about 2 spoons of cayenne pepper, and then I am going to add my olive oil. So I'm going to add my olive oil inside the pepper, and then I'm going to mix it up very well. After that, I am going to cover this with the lid, and then I am going to store this for at least a week or 2 weeks. So guys, I am back from making my DIY and natural hair oil from cayenne pepper, and this is the way this oil looks. Like I said, I'm going to leave this oil for about 1 to 2 weeks before I drain it out and separate the cayenne pepper from the oil. This DIY is absolutely good for hair growth. So cayenne pepper strengthens your hair, get rid of dandruff and help your hair to grow. If your scalp is sensitive, or if you know that you're allergic to cayenne pepper, don't use it, because I read that if you're allergic to it, your scalp might react badly to it. Or if you have a very sensitive scalp, then don't use it because your scalp will not like it either. So guys, this is after 3 weeks that I made the DIY cayenne pepper oil, and I am going to drain the oil now. Guys, this oil is so rich for your hair, and the way I apply this oil is that I apply it directly to the root of my hair, and I cover it up and leave it for about 15 minutes, and then I wash it off. If you have watched my DIY cayenne pepper hair mask, that is the same way I apply it on my hair. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.